Hello dear children, good morning. Children, today I am going to start with the reading part of your 5th lesson work we do. So all of you open page number 253. We are going to do the reading part of the lesson work we do. W-O-R-K work, W-E we, D-O do work we do. Our needs, Needs needs. Food, Food, food. Clothing clothing. And Shelter shelter or basic needs. To fulfill, fulfill these needs, we need money, Money money. To earn money, people do different types of work. A type of work that people do to earn money and make a living, living is called called an occupation, occupation. Types of occupations. Different people, different people do different kinds of work. Their choice of work depends, depends on their needs, what they can do, what they want to do. Some people are skilled, skilled in farming, farming. Some others may be good at doing woodwork, wood work. So they choose, choose carpentry, carpentry. Some others may like to teach, so they may choose to work as teachers, teachers. Fishing, fishing, farming, and mining are some of the most common occupations in India. Farming. A large number, number of people live in villages, villages. Farming is the main occupation of people living in villages. Farmers, farmers work in the fields to grow, grow different crops, crops. They grow food grains, food grains, sugarcane, sugarcane, vegetables, fruits, cotton, jute, coffee, spices, etc. on their farms. Poultry farming and dairy farming, poultry, poultry, farming, and dairy farming. Some farmers do not grow crops. They rear, rare animals, animals and birds on their farms. These animals and birds give them many things. The farming practice, practice in which animals are kept on farms, farms for milk and milk products, products is called dairy farming. The farming practice in which birds are kept on farms for eggs, eggs and meat, meat is called poultry farming, poultry, poultry farming. The farmers sell these things in the market to earn money. Clothes made of wool, 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 PROTECT, protect us from cold in winter, WINTER, winter. Cows, COWS, cows and buffaloes, BUFFALOES, buffaloes give milk. Milk and its products, PRODUCTS, products keep us healthy and fit. Chickens, 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 and ducks, DUCKS, ducks give eggs. Sheep give wool. Fishing, FISHING, fishing. Fishing is the main occupation of people who live in the coastal areas. COASTAL, coastal areas. The fish are processed, 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 tinned, TINNED, tin, and sent to the markets, MARKETS, markets. Fish is an important source of food and oil. Mining, MINING, mining. Some people live in areas that are rich in minerals like iron, 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 COAL, coal, MICA, mica, and PETROLEUM, petroleum. The main occupation of such people is mining. Mining is an act of digging, DIGGING, digging out important, IMPORTANT, important minerals from the ground. Metals are made from minerals. Metals are useful, USEFUL, useful to us in many ways. Iron, 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 and steel, 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 are two types of metals. They are used to build bridges, 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 BUILDINGS, buildings, and SHIPS, ships. Coins, COINS, coins are also made out of metals from the ground. Working in forest, WORKING, working in FOREST, forest. Some areas, AREAS, areas in our country, 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 have forest. PEOPLE, people, living, LIVING, living in or near these areas, collect, 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 wood, 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 GUM, gum, HONEY, honey, RUBBER, rubber, and HERBS, herbs from the trees in the forest. They sell, SELL, sell these things, 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 for money in the market, MARKET, market. These things are turned, TURNED, turned into furniture, 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 PAPER, paper, MATCHSTICKS, matchsticks, and many more. Other occupations, OTHER, other, OCCUPATIONS, occupations. In towns, 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 and CITIES, cities, people mostly work in offices, 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 SHOPS, shops, and FACTORIES, factories. PAINTING, painting, WRITING, writing, SINGING, singing, and tailoring, tailoring, or examples of some other occupations people do. Many people also work in banks, banks, schools, schools, and hospitals, hospitals. So this is all about the reading part of your fifth lesson, work we do. Children, watch the video carefully and pronounce the words. Bye children, thank you.